in here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Puppy Love. 9 is enough. Well, Mama and her 2 sons got out from underneath the fence today. Got out into the burdock and another plant that leaves these sticky seeds all over them. And Trisha's up there right now. She just got done with Mama. So I'm putting Mama in the tub. Let me get my hands on Mama. Come here, Mama. Time to get a bath. Yep, you got all muddy. So Mama's gonna get a bath. I'm gonna try this comb again. She's got a different hair than Pooh had in that other video I just did. Guess what, Mama? No. It's bad time. There we go. Along my, look at that mud. Look at that dirt coming off of you, girlie. Oh, yeah. Look at the dirt. Wow. I found it. Our fence has got holes under it. Look at the mud. Yeah. You got it going here, baby. Digging under that fence. We've got a critter, I think it's a possum, it's been digging under the fence. Yeah, get over here, Mama. Okay. Alright, let's get some soap on you. Let's try this thing. Come over, baby. Come here. If I got the spray, maybe. It's a different. She's got a different hair than Pooh does. I think I'm out of luck again. I think this thing definitely needs to have a. There we go. Something's happening here. There we go. Well, guess I'm gonna have to do it this way. Yeah. I'm over here. Oh. Not doing much good, I don't think. Dang. Come here, Mama. And Lancelot does not like to be brushed, so you can hear him in the background crying. Lancelot and Bear all got into that stuff. Oh, we got 3. I gotta wash 3 animals. Mama. You know though, now I'm getting a bath. Mama's getting a bath. What do you think about that? Hmm? What do you think about that? Look. Come on here, Mama. Right here, baby. Come on. Get a little warm. Pull that dog up. Little scratches on your back from getting under the fence, huh? Maybe we'll block that off on me. Your chest and your neck here, over your head. Your beard done. Look at that dirt in your beard. Look at this. Yuck. 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 Yuck, yuck, yuck. Ooh. Your ears are down. I'm going to get the water in your ears. Nose. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, look at that mess. Look at that mess. Your mess in your beard. Wow. Wow. Woo. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Yuck. Alright. We're done there. Girly. Girly. Chest done. And down your ears, that's for sure. Oh. Okay. All good to go? Huh? One time over your head. Alright. I think we're done, girlie. Just gotta get you some. Drenched now, huh? Okay. I'll get the conditioner on you. What are you doing? I know you're in there, huh? Okay. Okay, baby. One more time. Yeah. Okay. One more time. That conditioner off of you. Alright. Over your head, one time. Feet. Feet, one more time. Tail. Alright. So I'm gonna leave this on. I got 2 more dogs I'm gonna have to wash. Okay. Okay, Mama. Shake off. Shake it, shake. Shake, shake. Shake. Shake, Mama. Shake. Shake. Come on, shake it off. Shake. 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 Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it off. Come on. Shake it off. Shake. Shake, babe. Ah, girl. Do it again. You can do it again. Shake. Don't shake. Come on, shake it off. What the hell is that thing? Oh. Shake. Shake it off. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Oh, shake it. Shake it off. Come on. There, girl. All right, good girl. All right, now your towel. Yeah. See? I have no idea what those are, but he's definitely next. Mama, you come back here. You little thing. No, you don't. Oops, sorry. Come on. Gotta wait on me. Get in there. Alright. I don't know what they are, but come on. You get up here. Come on. Sit up here. There you go. I don't know what they are, but they are sticky and they won't come out. Man, look at you. Oh, and you got a burdock. Ah. Come on, Mama, come on. You're next. You're next, Lily. All right. Go to it. Lily, you're a mess. Oh, towel. God. Yeah, you got them right around your eyes. You even got a burdock right here. Dang. You got a burdock right over your eyeball. Under your eyeball. Man, I don't know what these are, but you're next. One down, 2 to go.